Okay, good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to discuss about anomalous expansion of water. Before going to the topics, can you say me the meaning of anomalous? What does this word mean? You?
I don't know.
You? You? Okay, this word refers to the meaning unusual. So we are going to discuss about something unusual property of water, right? So let us start now. Suppose you have one object here with volume V1 and temperature T1. Now we give heat to the object, some heat to it. So what happens to the volume of the object when we raise the temperature to some T2? What happens to the volume? It will increase, right? Suppose it increases to volume B2. That means in general all the substances they expand when they get more heat. But what happens in case of water? When we give the heat from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, what happens to it? So you have some water in a vessel and give some heat. Let us suppose that in the beginning the water is at 0 degrees Celsius. So what do you expect to the volume of this water when the temperature rises to 1 degree Celsius? We give some heat from the bottom so that the temperature rises to 1 degree Celsius. Then what will happen to the volume of water? Can you say?
Sure.
Yeah, it will decrease. It will decrease. In all other substances, volume increases, but we are talking in particular temperature. We are going from 0 to 1 degree Celsius, right? Similarly, if we increase the heat so that the temperature rises to 2 degrees Celsius, the same thing happens. The volume decreases again. Okay? Likewise, if we increase the volume, if we increase the temperature to 3 degrees Celsius, the volume will decrease again. Likewise, again, if we go on increasing the heat till 4 degrees Celsius, the volume of the water decreases. So that if we increase the heat again so that our temperature is above 4 degrees Celsius, the volume now starts increasing. Okay, so if we see the volume temperature curve, it will look like this. We have volume here, we have temperature here. It's 0, 1, 2, 3. So the volume, it goes on decreasing till 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, then if the given, it is given so that temperature is above 4 degrees Celsius, the volume now starts to rise. So this unusual property of water, it is known as anomalous expansion of water, right? That means if we go on heating the water from 0 degree Celsius up to 4 degree Celsius, the volume goes on decreasing, and if the temperature is increased beyond 4 degree Celsius, the volume now starts to increase. That means you can say at which temperature does water have the minimum density. Can you say from the graph?
4.
4, yeah, you're right. Because we have density is equal to mass by volume, and we have the minimum volume at 4 degrees Celsius. The water has maximum density at this temperature. Okay, so what will be the nature of density and temperature curve for the water? Will it look like this? See, when the volume is minimum, it becomes maximum, right? When it is maximum, the volume is maximum, it becomes minimum. I think it is not the nature, like we can see the nature of density and temperature curve for water. This density in this axis and temperature in this axis. So we may have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3.
1 minute left.
2, 3, 4. So the density temperature curve will obviously look like this. Oh, I'm sorry. It must be maximum at 4 degree. And it begins to decrease like this. Okay, that's all. In the next class, we'll discuss about importance of anomalous expansion for water, that it helps to for the plants and animals to survive in the cold regions. That's all for today.
Thank you.
Thank you.